Allow me to briefly introduce you to how Moodle and the Moodle Basic course can help you in your work as a teacher of English in Israel.
Hi there. My name is Dor, and I am a pupil in an Israeli school. Did you know that the Israel Ministry of Education Moodle learning environment is designed to help teachers manage learners' work? I mean, when my teacher of English uses Moodle, I can learn better.
Hello there. Dor is right. Moodle is the world's free learning platform that helps you create innovative, interesting and effective online teaching and learning experiences in a collaborative, private environment. The Ministry of Education Moodle platform has a modern, easy-to-use interface. Moreover, it is designed to be responsive and accessible. And, yes, the Moodle interface is easy to navigate on both desktop and mobile devices. Dor can use a tablet, a portable phone, his laptop or his PC to learn. As a teacher of English in Israel, you can request as many Moodle learning environments as you need for your classes. While there are available written and video tutorials in Hebrew, you can learn to use the Ministry of Education Moodle learning environment as English. Once you start teaching with Moodle, you will never want to go back to teaching without it.
Make Moodle's powerful tools work for you and your learners. When you use Moodle, you're not alone. There's a large community of users organized around Moodle.org and the Learn Moodle courses that will help us use Moodle in the framework of the Ministry of Education. The course I have created is partly based on what I have learned in different Learn Moodle Basic courses, but the community has helped me create this video in other ways too. Here is another example. Listen to Moodle's Educator Advisor.
We asked the what if question. So the what if question, people were saying, oh, we need exemplars. We need exemplars. We need to know, like, what does it look like when you're using this tool in all the ways that the tool can actually help teaching and learning? Another thing that came up, people were looking to see not only just what's possible, but the full spectrum of what's possible. So we're able to find innovative ways to do that. When we asked, what if you could have access to any resource, what would that be? And one of the significant things that came out of yesterday were concrete resources, wanting to give us a manual, give us the process steps articulated, give us guides navigating Moodle, give us a sample course, give us a sample school site, give us a printed resource, and again, give us those videos. Those videos are really helpful to be able to see, to hear, and to read, and to be able to go step by step at your own pace.
I'm going to try to give you access to part of that, but then you can go beyond joining the Moodle community and learning Moodle. Together, we can really make a difference in the way we teach and our pupils learn in the Israeli school system. Thanks for your time, and thanks to Learn Moodle for their help. Goodbye.